You want to sit there? This is you. You can just trade places freely.
It's 10 p.m. and I'm gonna dye my hair. Hi. Okay, so I got inspired because my boyfriend dyed his hair pink a few months ago and he dyed it green today and it looks so good. So when he picked up his green hair dye, I asked him to give me pink hair dye and I'm gonna dye my hair pink. So I'm using the Arctic Fox Electric Paradise pink hair dye. I have my solo cup and my brush and we're just gonna go in and see what happens. Now I'm not gonna do my whole head. I'm just gonna do like a fade of pink in here. Because I don't know. I don't really want to do my whole head. I just want to do the ends and have a little bit of fun. So I'm gonna do that now, and I'm just gonna do like a montage. I think, I don't know, maybe we'll see, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Brad Mondo, help. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna section my hair because I have so much of it. I mean, it's only pink and it washes out, so like, what's the worst that could happen? I like it. That's the worst that could happen. Is using chemicals opens it with your teeth, because that's smart of me to do, right? Okay, hello. There we go. Oh my god, that's so pink. I'm excited. Oh my god, gotta be careful. Okay, here we go. I don't have gloves and I don't know what I'm doing, so there's no going back now. There's no place like home. Oh god, I should have put down a towel on the floor. Oh, it's going on my hands. I hope that's okay. Do you think I'm gonna have pink hands? Definitely I might. How far should I go up? I don't know. We'll see. Am I an e-girl now? So the dye's on. I'm gonna leave it for probably another 35 minutes because I've been spending 5 minutes trying to get this pink off of my hands. This one's not so bad. Yeah, so sorry there weren't more clips of me putting the dye in. It got messy, so I couldn't touch my phone. But this is it. I think it looks pretty good. If it doesn't look good, I'm just gonna wear it up in a bun and hope that a pink bun looks cute. So I guess I'll see you guys when I wash it out. Good morning. So this is my hair. I'm like completely obsessed with it. I think it looks so good. Wow. I tried to like film last night when it was like all washed out and dried and stuff, but the lighting was so bad that it like didn't actually show like the pink that it was, so I wanted to wait until the morning when I could do it in the sun. This is my hair. may or may not be doing a thing. So I just got dressed. I'm just wearing this little t-shirt and then these shorts from Urban. Gonna wear my Air Force Ones and go rock my new pink hair. Just getting lip balm. So I have to go to the dollar store because I lost my keys somewhere either in my house or in my car, but I can't find them. So my dad got me new ones cut yesterday, but I have to get like a keychain thing so I don't lose them again. So I'm gonna go there, probably get coffee, and yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah. And we'll see what the carabiner is. So I'm in the car. Oh god. So I wanted to explain a little bit on the Louis Vuitton little wallet thing clip that you saw before. Sorry, I'm so fucking dehydrated. So like there's a kind of a story behind it. So I told you guys I lost my keys, so that's why I'm going to the dollar store, because I need, also this is from the hair dye yesterday, my hand is pink. I lost my keys somewhere in the car. I don't know how I managed it, but I lost them because we got a new car that doesn't need like the key to be inserted. It's just like a key fob and a press to start. So I haven't been as careful with my keys as I usually am when like the key is inserted in the car, because I need to take the keys out to stop the car, you know what I mean? So I somehow lost them because I was just paying attention to the fob that starts the car. Last week I also left my wallet. Where's my wallet? This wallet, I left this wallet in the cart at the grocery store. Like for 3 hours I didn't notice, like when I got home, that my wallet was not in any of the bags, not in the car, not in the house, nothing. I need something smaller that I can either throw in my pocket. So I was gonna get a card holder because those are really small. You can slip them in your pocket. You can hold a lot of things. But then I kind of thought about it and I was like, this one that I showed you, like that clips onto your keys, would make it so I only had to worry about grabbing one thing. I wanted to get the one that's small and can clip to my keys because I am a flight risk and I just forget things. So that is why I want to get the Louis Vuitton one, because maybe like my brain will be like, it's more expensive, you have to take care of it. I feel like it's also an investment. It's gonna last me forever, and like it's a little small wallet, so it's never gonna go out of style, which also I was thinking about, like with these like bigger wallets or like bigger bags, like they can kind of go out of style, or like they can get annoying, or you can like get tired of them because like a new thing comes out. But this is such a small wallet that's so basic that it will never go out of style, so I can literally have it for years and it will stay intact. If my mom says it's okay, then it's okay. I'm gonna go to the I'm gonna go to the dollar store now and go get things for my keys, and I'm gonna go get a coffee. So I'll see you guys there. Okay, so I went to the dollar store and I got my coffee. So I have this problem where I have allergies and it's summer, and we're also in a pandemic. So if you sneeze outside, everyone's like, but I'll show you guys what I got at the dollar store. I just had to get baby wipes for my dog because she's old and we have to wipe her butt. And then I had to get like keychain, like carabiners and stuff for my new keys. They didn't have regular ones, so I had to get this one, which I'm hoping I can like make into something cool. But then I also found this. I've always wanted one of these, and I found it at the dollar store, so maybe I'll just fucking use this for my new keys. I'm hyped. So I'm gonna go home now. I have a meeting at 12:30, so I'm gonna go home, make some food, and then get ready for my meeting. That almond milk on the bottom looks so disgusting. I don't usually get like milk in my coffee anymore. Like I usually just drink it black. But at home, I've been putting cashew milk in my coffee because I've been drinking hot coffee at home. And I think I'm starting to like a little bit of like almond milk, cashew milk, oat milk in my coffee again. Which is weird for me because I literally have been drinking black coffee for years. But anyway, there's lots of people on this street, so I'm gonna go. So I just made 2 pieces of this cinnamon toast from Cobb's, just with some butter on it. It's not healthy, but it's really tasty, so that's all that matters, right? It got kind of squished in the bag because we got it like delivered, so it looks like this, but it still tastes good. So I'm making lunch right now, and I just have sweet potato, broccoli, carrots with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika on them. I'm also gonna have chicken with this when it's done baking, but the chicken is already cooked and in the fridge, so I don't have it on here. But I'm gonna put these in the oven and then throw it all in a bowl and call it lunch. So we're trying these tonight, plant-based cheesecake. I'm pretty excited for this one. I don't know how I feel about the chocolate, but we'll see. We'll do a taste test when they're thawed and we're eating them because they're frozen right now, so we have to thaw them. But doesn't that look fucking good? Wow. Okay, so I'm trying the cheesecake now. I'm gonna do the chocolate one first. I'm having a small bite, I'm scared. Oh my god.
It's good.
Oh my god.
Oh, yay.
Okay. Now the vanilla, or plain. Is it even called vanilla when it's cheesecake? I can't tell.
No.
It's just plain.
Yeah?
Oh my god.
Idea.
This is better than regular cheesecake. Oh god, I'm gonna eat this whole thing. So in conclusion, if you live near a Loblaws or have any PC products at your grocery store, go get the plant-based cheesecake. The original is better than the chocolate in my opinion, but they're both pretty fire. They taste exactly like cheesecake. You can't even tell that there's no actual cheese / dairy in it. So good. 25 out of 10. But that's gonna conclude this vlog. It's just kind of random. I just wanted to vlog, get a video up. I felt like filming. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you'd like to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. I'm definitely gonna get back into the swing of things. I am like excited about filming again. I went through a little funk before, but anyways, that's all. See you in the next one. Bye.